We have one more positive day for the US stock market, and I have said this thing in my previous commentary. And you can see volatile moves on each and every trading session. So there is a complete panic for those who don't know how to trade in this kind of market, and this is specifically for the pro. And market is trying to factor in the uncertainties. Until and unless it has a clear guide, it can't move in one way. And as you can see, the Dow Jones actually closed nearly 400 points. Then we have Nasdaq closed 150 points and a good 1.36% in S&P 500. So it's a good move that has happened. Now there are some interesting things that will impact the market. So before analyzing the chart for tomorrow, or what is going to happen, I mean, if you call it the trading session for 23rd of November, you need to look at some of the important events that is going to happen, and that will definitely impact the market. So what do we have here? So let me, yeah, so you have the FOMC minutes. Okay, you have the FOMC minutes, and that is definitely going to impact the market. And probably see on Wednesday 23rd, you have the FOMC minutes, and that's definitely going to impact the market. Now understand one thing, understand one thing, that if there is, it doesn't matter whether they will increase the rate or not, but what's important is the commentary. And any neutral to dovish commentary will actually push the market further on the upside. And most importantly, if you are looking at the calendar, you will see November 24th will be a holiday for the Wall Street because of Thanksgiving. So wishing you all uh, Thanksgiving, a happy Thanksgiving day. I hope you have a great day with your family and friends, and I pray for their uh, best health, best financial health, and best life to all of them. Now, having said all these things, what I'm trying to say over here is market will definitely position itself based on the Fed policy. So you have to take that leap forward, and you have to decide accordingly where do you actually want to go. You want to be on the neutral side, or you want to take the bearish side, or you all want to take the bullish side. So that will be decided by the market. And even though there is a holiday on 24th of November 2022, market will definitely position itself before that, because it will, or it have the intensity, the commentary have the intensity to change the course of direction even for the next couple of days to weeks. Okay, now with this, let's start analyzing the biggest mover, and that will be the Dow Jones. And let us see what has happened in the last trading session and what one can expect in the next trading session. So let's go to the price chart and let us see what is happening. So you can see a superb move, and a breakout has already happened. Okay, a breakout has indeed happened, and you can clearly see your previous resistance has already been taken. So you have 33,965, which was your previous high, and that's already been taken. So we have to change our analysis, or we have to revisit the level over here, because after the breakout, obviously we have to change the course. And let us see what lies ahead for Dow Jones going forward. And I mean, if you want to go for the big swing, obviously the big swing is way higher. It will cross 40,000. That's something I have a fair opinion on this. And I think that as far as the big swing is concerned, it will definitely rise towards or it will definitely go towards 40,000 or more. Okay, now because Dow Jones has already crossed 33,965, it will become your immediate support. And as far as the next target is concerned, as far as the next target is concerned, what we are going to look at, we will try to join the peaks and the level or the swing that we are going to get over here. will be in between 34,700 and 34,900. So our journey for 34,700 and 900 has officially started. Barring the condition here is 33,965 or 33,966 is going to be your stop loss. So please do not go below these specific levels. Now let's go to SPX. I will discuss Nasdaq at the end of the will be the last chart to discuss. And as you can see, the same thing. In my yesterday's video, I have discussed about S&P 500, and I have said that these kind of things are indeed negative, and any further move will happen if S&P 500 will cross 3967. Now because it has officially crossed 3967, not only that, it has closed way ahead or way above than 3967, and my target has already been hit. So as you can see, the close is 4003, and I have given the first target of 4003. So because it has already been done, so the next two target will be 4021 and 4030, and beyond 4030, because there is a Fed minute, so beyond 4030, and if the market is taking the positive positioning beyond 4030, the next move, because I don't know if it is just based on some assumptions, and if there is a positive commentary as far as the market is concerned, and if S&P 500 crosses 4030 or more, the range will open up in between 4099 and 4128 on the upside. Okay, so this is what we have here. Now the last but not at all and never be the least one, okay, it's going to be Nasdaq. And Nasdaq was looking way negative in my yesterday's analysis, because after a big fall it was just hanging at the lowest end of the range, and in the first couple of minutes or hours, you can see there is a false breakdown which has already been happened. But I also said one thing, that the least chance over here is if this level holds and the level of 11,000 11,010 has been held, and from there you have seen a staggering rally towards 11,178. So the first target has already been hit, and we will move towards 11,200. Once Nasdaq started trading above 11,200, we will open up on the Nasdaq will open up for 11,267, 11,400, and then we will move towards 11,490. So 200 to 300 point will open up after 11,200 and more. So one thing is sure, that market is now positioning itself before the FOMC minutes, and if there is anything supportive for the market, or I would say we don't want good for stock market, if there is neutral or nothing bad from the FOMC minutes, you will see market start rising again. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.